So simple things that patients can do every day, starting right now to support healthy, sustainable weight loss are the following. I tell all my patients this, okay, because I get this question a lot, whether it's a New Year's resolution or not, and that's start with these simple things. Whatever you put in your body, make sure that it's as minimally as processed as possible, meaning a simple way to conceptualize this is to avoid the centers of grocery stores. That tends to be where the boxed up, processed products are that are going to last longer in a bag or a box. If you stick to the periphery of the grocery store, that's where you're going to find your fresh fruits and vegetables. That's where if you choose to eat meat, you're going to find your fresh poultry, you're going to find your fresh beef, your fresh fish, and things like that.
1. Squats. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your toes facing straight ahead or angled slightly outward. 2. Slowly bend your knees and squat, sending the hips back behind you, while keeping your torso straight and your abs pulled in tight. 3. Keep your knees behind your toes. Make sure everything's pointing in the same direction. 4. Squat as low as you can, and push into your heels to stand up. Squat variations. Squat with 1 dumbbell. Squat with dumbbells. Barbell squat. Wide leg squat. Front squat. Wall sit. 1 leg squat. 2. Planks. 1. Lie face down on the mat with your elbows resting on the floor next to your chest. 2. Push your body off the floor in a push-up position with your body resting on your elbows or hands. 3. Contract the abs and keep the body in a straight line from head to toes. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat as many times as you can. 4. For beginners, do this move on your knees and gradually work your way up to balancing on your toes. 3. Lunges. 1. Stand in a split stance, 1 leg forward, 1 leg back. 2. Bend your knees and lower your body into a lunge position, keeping the front knee and back knee at 90-degree angles. 3. Keeping the weight in your heels, push back up, slowly, to starting position. 4. Never lock your knees at the top and don't let your knee bend past your toes. 5. Variations include front lunges, back lunges, and side lunges. 6. Do this exercise 2 to 3 times per week for 12 to 16 reps. 4. Push-ups, inclined, for beginners. 1. If you're a beginner or don't have as much upper body strength, this is a good move to start with. 2. Start on all fours with hands a bit wider than the shoulders. 3. Walk the knees back a bit to lean your weight on the hands and flatten the back from the head down to the back of the knees. 4. Pull the abs in and, keeping your back straight, then the elbows and lower body toward the floor until elbows are at 90-degree angles. 5. Push back up and repeat for 1 to 3 sets of 10 to 16 reps.